Hi everyone! With great excitement, I'd like to announce that I'm going to be resuming the programming tutorials. A few things changed. First of all, as you guys recall, I've been using Visual Studio Code. However, I did some research and the C# extension that's been used by that program is really not stable, hit and miss. People are complaining, so I want to do something when the foundation is spotty. So there's actually something really good. Let me show you. Microsoft has a free edition of Visual Studio called Visual Studio Community, and I'm gonna post this link in the description. This is where you can download it, and if you compare this versus Professional and Enterprise, it stacks up pretty nicely. So if you are an individual developer up to 5 users, you can go ahead and download this free Visual Studio Community Edition. When you are installing it, for the sake of these tutorials, just check off ASP.NET and web development. This is going to install all the necessary tools that you need to make this thing go. Provided everything installed correctly, let's create our first Hello World program. One more thing, I suggest that you are running Visual Studio Community as administrator. We're going to create a new project. This is going to be a console application. We're going to call it Hello World. It's going to ask you what do you want, which framework you want to target. Target .NET 5.0 because that already has .NET Core. You see our first program. It's already populated with the words Hello World. Let's run it. And there it is. So very simple, runs off the bat, there's nothing you have to do. And what's very interesting is that Microsoft is consolidating frameworks, technologies, whatnot. And .NET 6 is already in previous edition, so anytime, probably around sometimes November, we should have it available as a release. So before .NET Core was a little bit disconnected, you had the regular framework, but now everything is getting consolidated. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm basically going to be continuing our adventure. We left off on arrays, so please rewatch the other videos to get caught up. And we're going to be rolling right along, acquiring a really good C# knowledge, so you can create a good and efficient applications. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Please subscribe. Bye bye.